Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything now so you can reinstall without loss. Once done, verify you have a valid Windows 10 license or that your Microsoft account holds a digital entitlement, because activation matters later. Next, download the Windows 10 ISO using Microsoft's tool and create a bootable USB on an 8 GB drive. Use Rufus or the Media Creation tool so you can boot and run the installer. Make sure secure boot notes are ready to check in BIOS. You will reboot into the USB installer, enter UEFI/BIOS and set USB first, then save and restart. Once the installer loads, choose Custom Install. This lets you delete the Windows 11 partitions and format the system drive so the install is clean. This is why you backed up. Select the unallocated space and proceed. During setup, enter your Windows 10 product key if you have one. Otherwise, skip. Sign in with the same Microsoft account, so digital licensing. You finish by installing vendor drivers first, chipset, storage, display, because they stabilize Windows and improve performance. Then run Windows Update to get cumulative patches. Make sure you sign in with your Microsoft account so a digital license can link and auto-activate, and then restore your files from backup to documents and desktop. If activation fails or the PC won't boot, check Secure Boot and TPM settings in UEFI. Disable Secure Boot temporarily if needed, then run the activation troubleshooter to resolve license issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.